Guys, and good morning. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my kitchen. I haven't had the proper way on how I clean my kitchen or how I want it to be because I'm still trying to settle in. I've only been at this house for like, let's see, 5 days, and I'm still getting the hang of it and still haven't had the chance to kind of see how exactly I want to clean my kitchen and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video because I love doing these kinds of videos for you guys. And I just noticed that I am wearing a brown shirt, just like my other video that I did film, my kitchen haul. That if you guys haven't seen that already, go check it out too, because I will be sharing with you guys, or you guys will be seeing these stuff around my decor in this video. And I also did get a new dining table because I used to have this brown one. I'm gonna share with you guys how it looks like. So I did have this brown one right here. It was just this was one of our first dining tables that we've had for such a very long time, since we got that first apartment way back in the day. But yeah, this was our little baby, but we're gonna get rid of it now just because I think if you guys can see, it has like weird stuff on it, and when I clean it, it just doesn't come off. I feel like the paint is coming off. It just needs extra love. So yeah, this one is to sit 4 people on it. I like it, but I think it's time. It doesn't match my house, but it's not what I want for my house. But yeah, I'm just so grateful for this little table that we did have. And this is what the chairs look like this. They just need a little bit of cleaning, but I'm gonna go ahead and just post those and sell them because I will be sharing with you guys what my other dining table looks like. I absolutely love it. It looks super good, and this is what I was looking for, and it's just perfect for us. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and kitchen. And yeah, so stay tuned if you want to keep watching on how I clean my kitchen. All right, you guys, so this is what my kitchen currently looks like. It is currently 9:11. I did make breakfast, and that sippy cup is my daughter's. She's obsessed with that cup. But yeah, we had some breakfast and everything's all over the place, and I just have to put all this stuff away and do some dishes, and it's just a huge mess, you guys, because I don't know, I just make a huge mess, I guess, when I make any kind of food in my kitchen. And yeah, so everything's all over the place. But for the most part, over here I have nothing. There's nothing here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like mop it out and sweep it and whatever. There's my trash. I don't have a trash can. It's coming. Hopefully I can get it today. And yeah, so this is my old dining table, and as I showed you guys, my table and my little dog stuff is under there, but it's there for right now, but we're gonna move that later on. And yeah, this is what my new table looks like. It needs a little bit cleaning, but yeah, this is what it is. This was what it looks like. It's white, and it has this, what is this called, like the cushion or whatever it's called. But I like it, so I can just clean it up and whatever. And yeah, it's like for 6 people. I love it once I have like people over or whatever, they can just sit down here and we can just hang out. But yeah, this is what this currently looks like right now. It just got dark all of a sudden, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get all my stuff ready so I can clean this kitchen up.
I feel like he always bothers you when you're literally filming.
I know, all the time. All the time. Alright, you guys, so these are the things that I did get for my kitchen. I'm just moving them to the side just because I'm gonna just quickly clean it up with this solution that I did make. I did put it in a spray bottle that I did get at the dollar store. And all I did was just mixed, I believe it's like Fabuloso and water, and I just shook it up a little bit, and this thing smells so good. I am obsessed with it. Has become my new cleaning product for my kitchen, and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it because it makes your kitchen smell super amazing. Okay, you guys, so right here I am currently going to scrub my sponge away. This is what I do all the time just so I can just clean my dishes with this clean sponge, and all I'm gonna do is just add soap and just scrubbing it away. But yeah, so I do have a dishwasher, but I don't even know how to use a dishwasher yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my dishes by hand because why not? And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of them, and I hate doing dishes, but this is what I have to do all the time. So and right here, you guys, all I'm gonna do is just kind of move this thing away from the carpet. It belongs underneath the dining table, but I'm just gonna not use it right now. But all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and vacuum my dining area. And currently there's carpet, which is kind of weird, but hopefully in the future we can go ahead and fix that, because I do not like carpet in the dining room area, just because like if anybody spills or drops anything, it's gonna get stained. And this is white carpet, so which sucks. I don't like it, but I just have to work with what I have. And as you guys can see, my dog does not leave my sight at all. Everywhere I move, he is following me around, but I love him. But yeah, you guys, this is what I'm doing right now. Alright you guys, so I just finished cleaning my house. It literally smells so good. I went ahead and cleaned all of my dishes. This is my drying mat. This needs to dry, so I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit so it can dry. And I wiped all of my countertops. There's all of my cute little decor. My stove is super clean, and I went ahead and put everything away, and I went ahead and mopped and stuff like that. I am loving it. It looks super clean, just perfect. I love it. And then over here I did clean the table, just wiped it down and whatever, but my daughter is using the other chair. That's why you guys only see 5 chairs. But yeah you guys, this is it. And that is it you guys. This is my quick little how I clean my kitchen. It's just the easy way that I'm doing it right now. I haven't had a routine on how I'm doing it. I'm still getting used to it. But yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm doing more videos for you guys. And comment down below what you guys liked about my kitchen, so that way we can talk and get to know each other. But yeah you guys, I will take it from here, and I'll see you guys next time. And yes, thank you for all your love and support. Bye.